Presenting Miss Aqua Boracay winner since 2022 to 2024. Miss Aqua Boracay 2022 won by Miss Universe Philippines Celeste Cortesi. And Miss Aqua Boracay 2023 won by Miss Universe Philippines Michelle Marquez D. And Miss Aqua Boracay 2024 won by Miss Quezon Province Atisa Manalo. Guys, kung magkataon, deja vu nga ba ang tawag dito? Will Miss Quezon Province follow the trend as the next Miss Universe Philippines winner? Guys, kung magkataon na si Miss Universe Philippines Quezon Province at Isa Manalo ang mananalong the next Miss Universe Philippines 2024, deja vu talaga ang pagkakataon na ito. Kaya abangan natin yan. Once again, Junes the Great here and thanks for watching.